Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max Online class. So, in the previous class, what we did, I gave you 2 mains in the classwork and 1 main in the homework. So, now we'll continue the classwork. Keep ready. Max classwork book. October portion we are doing now, children. That only I'll continue. Keep ready. Max classwork. Okay. And fresh page, you keep ready and write the heading. Adding three numbers. In the previous class, I taught you adding 3 numbers across. Now down, adding 3 numbers down. Adding 3 numbers down. So in the previous class, I taught you across like this, isn't it? 3 plus. Like this, we are doing the 3 numbers addition. Now, like this, that is down, downwards. How to do? See. So leave a gap between the sums, each sum, then only do, don't attach all the sum, okay? One sum afterwards, so much gap leave, then only copy the next sum. Total 5 sums are there. For your no placements, you can go to next line down and do. For me board, so I written in the same line, but you can do in the next line also. Okay. So 3 numbers addition and downwards. How to do? See. First take out classwork, keep ready the fresh page and write the heading adding 3 numbers down. Adding 3 numbers down. Shall I start? So, whenever you have 3 numbers, first do 2 numbers addition. That is 3 plus 7. These 2 numbers do. So, draw box like this, then do 3 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 where you will write? 10 write it side. Okay, 10 you write it side. Then do these 2 numbers. 10 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right here, 15. Understand how to do? Next come to the second sum. Second sum also like that only. First do the 2 sums. Whenever you have 3 numbers addition, first do 2 numbers addition. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Then 8 in the mind, third sum. 8 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Understand? After each sum, there must be gap. Otherwise, you'll get confusion. These numbers will write and these numbers all, it should not get mixed up. It should be written in the same line. The numbers plus symbol, you should write it side. Then answer should be written in the same line. Okay, don't get confusion. Next come to the fourth sum. First do these 2 numbers. 7 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right here, 11. Then these 2 numbers. 11 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Next, last sum of this main. These 2 numbers, 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Next, 15 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 15, 16, 17. Write your answer, 17. Understand? So, this is the vertical, 3 numbers addition down. Understand? Once again, I'll tell you this main. First copy the heading, adding 3 numbers down. So like this, first do 2 sums, 3 in the mind, 3 plus 7 plus 5, 15, 4 plus 3 plus 2, you got 9, 8 plus 2 plus 6, 16, 7 plus 4 plus 6, 17, 9 plus 6 plus 2, 17. How to do? See, once again, I'll tell you. 3 in the mind, 7 in the finger. First, these 2 numbers. So draw box like this. Then do addition. Addition, you know, 3 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 where you will write, 10 write it side. Side you should write. Then this answer and this third number. 10 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you got the answer 15. Then 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. You got the answer. Understand? First 2 numbers you should do. 8 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10. 10 right it side, 10 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 I written here. 11 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Understand? Next. 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 right its side. Then 15 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 15, 16, 17. 17 I written. Understand how to do 3 numbers addition? Do you have still confusion? No. First do 2 numbers, then answer and the third number add. Final answer write in the answer column. Understand? Yes. After this main, keep ready the next page to write the next main. This main shall I write? Yes. Keep ready next page to write the next main. So next page, write the heading, subtract. Now all these classes we did addition, now subtract. How to do subtraction? 17 minus 16 minus 5. Subtraction means minus symbol. Okay, you should see and understand. Put some no place here, so I'll write here 16 minus 6. 57 with 10 6. So, how to do this sum subtraction? Now you know very well addition. Addition we did all these mains, all these classes. Now subtraction. How to do 17 minus 3? All the 17 lines you need not to draw and cut it. First see these 2 numbers. 7 in the finger. See 7 fingers keep. What's this number? 3. Cut it 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. Write it this side. And 1. Here no number means think it as 0. 1 minus 0. 1 only. 14. Understand? See like this. 17 minus 3. If I give, you can draw your 7 circles. Cut 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 minus 0, 1. That only. Horizontal subtraction they are given. Understand? Next 16 minus 5. So 6 fingers. Keep 6 fingers. Fold how many? 5 fingers fold. What's the balance? 1. Here no number. 1 minus 0, 1 only. Okay, if you get confusion that you can do like this also. Okay, 16 minus 5. 6. 6 is there. Draw here. 6 circles. 5 cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the balance? 1. Here no number means think it as 0. 1 minus 0, 1 only. That is 16 minus 5 is 11. Understand how to do? Yes. Got some? 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4. 5, draw here, 5 circles. 4 cut it. What's the balance? 1. 1 minus 0, 1 only. 15 minus 4 is 11. Next 18 minus 6. Draw 8 is there. Draw here 8 circles. Cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the balance? 2. No number means think it as 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 18 minus 6, how much you got? 12. Here, see, this is easy. 16 minus 6, how much? 16 minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 fingers keep, fold all the 6, 0. 1 minus 0, 1 only. Keep it in mind. Okay, 16 minus 6, 10. Next, 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. Here I am doing 12 minus 3. You can draw here 12 circles, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cut how many? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Balance. Understand how to do subtraction? Yes. Check once the answers. 7 subtract 17 minus 3 14, 16 minus 5 11, 15 minus 4 11, then 18 minus 6 12, 16 minus 6 10, 12 minus 3 9. Understand how to do this main? Move to the next main. Shall I erase it? And keep ready the next page. Next page keep ready. Next main in the classwork, start in the next page, solve. THER is there, ARR, there are 15 books on a table, TABLE, table. There are 16 books on a table. 3 more books are kept. 3 more books are kept. How many books are there on the table now? How many books are there on the table now? Leave on a line and write, children. Okay. to these questions, leave on online, then only will look neat and you will understand well also. So answer tens ones. So see the question. Solve. There are 15 books on a table. How many books? 15 books. Right here, 15. 3 more books are kept. Still 3 extra they kept, right? Plus here and 3 here. 3 more books. So totally, how many books are there on the table? We should write. So 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. This is addition, okay? Don't get confusion. See the symbols carefully. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 0, 1 only. So totally how many books are there? 18 books. Understand? Once again, I'll read this. See, there are 15 books on a table. 3 more books are kept. First only 15 are there. Still 3 books they'll keep extra. So total how many books? How many books are there on the table now? 15 plus 3. Total 18 books are on the table now. Understand? So today we wrote 3 mains in the classwork. That much you write it. Okay. Then still 3 mains are there. But I'll continue classwork in the next page. After writing this main in the classwork, next keep ready your homework. Today in the classwork we wrote 3 pages now. That much you write and practice. Next keep ready the homework. This I'll tell you once again. There are 15 books on a table. 3 more books are kept. How many books are there on the table now? So first is there 15. Still 3 they'll keep extra. Total it has become 18. How to add? You know, 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 plus 0, 1. Understand, children, this main? Now keep ready the homework book. Today's maths homework, you copy. Today's maths homework, 2 times you write. 2T means 2 times, okay? 2 times 61 to 70 you wrote in the previous class, isn't it? Today you write 71 to 80 in words. 71 to 80 in words. This is today's homework, okay? Right? 71 to 80 in words. I'll write once and I'll tell and give you 2 times. You practice at home 2 times by saying in the mouth. Okay? SCVNT by 70, ON1, 71. SCVNT by 70, PW2, 72. SCVNT by 70, THREE3, 73. CVNT by 70, OU4, 74. SEVENT by 70, write neatly and neat handwriting and correct spellings. Okay, handwriting and spelling both are important. So what is today's homework? 71 to 80 in words 2 times. SEVENTY 70, ONE 1, 71. Say with me. And you, when you are writing also, you say and write. SEVENTY 70, ONE 1, 71. SEVENTY 70, TWO 2, 72. SEVENTY 70, TWO 2, 72. SEVENTY 70, THRE 3, 73. SEVENTY 70, THRE 3, 73. SEVENTY 70, FOUR 4, 74. SEVENTY 70, FOUR 4, 74. SEVENTY 70, FIBE 5, 75. SEVENTY 70, FIBE 5, 75. SEVENTY 70, SIX 6, 76. SEVENTY 70, SIX 6, 76. SEVENTY 70, SEVN 7, 77. SEVENTY 70, SEVN 7, 77. SEVENTY 70, EIGHT 8, 78. SEVENTY 70, EIGHT 8, 78. SEVENTY 70, NINE 9, 79. SEVENTY 70, NINE 9, 79. EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 80. Understand? Today's homework is this one. And each class will practice the tables, isn't it? In the rough note. Today also we'll practice this rough note work tables. This is homework and classwork I give 3 mains. That one you practice. Okay. Tables will practice side. So in the previous class, which tables we practiced? 2 tables, 4 and 5, isn't it? And the previous class 2 and 3 tables, 4 and 5 also finished. Now 6 and 7 we will practice. Okay. So shall I start from 2? Otherwise, shall I start from 6? So from 2 ones only. I'll start again once again. Up to 9 we are given in the October 1 portion. Okay. So we'll start from 9 ones in the rough note. You also practice daily. 2 ones 2. 2 twos 4. 2 threes 6. 2 fours 8. 2 fives 10. 2 sixes 12. 2 sevens 14. 2 eights 16. 2 nines 18. 2 tens 20. Okay. Let's say 2 ones 2. This is rough, ROUGH, rough note work, practice tables daily. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 threes 6, 2 fours 8, 2 fives 10, 2 sixes 12, 2 sevens 14, 2 eights 16, 2 nines 18, 2 tens 20. Three ones 3. 3 twos 6. 3 threes 9. 3 fours 12. 3 fives 15. 3 sixes 18. 3 sevens 21. 3 eights 24. 3 nines 27. 3 tens 30. 3 ones 3. 3 twos 6. 3 threes 9. 3 fours 12. 3 fives 15. 3 sixes 18. 3 sevens 21. 3 eights 24. 3 nines 27. 3 tens 30. Four ones 4. 4 twos 8. 4 threes 12. 4 fours 4 fours 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Five ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Six ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 16. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Seven ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. Yes, 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. Like that, daily you practice the tables in the rough. Will come answers to your mouth whenever we ask in the in between also. Okay. So today we wrote 3 mains in the classwork and homework 1 main I gave and practice the tables in the rough. This much you practice today. I'll continue in the next class. Thank you, children.